Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 961, n repeated element in size 2n array. This is easy, so next I will show you my thought process and efficient solution. We are given an integer array nums with the following properties, and this might seem confusing, but it's actually very simple. Let's say that this is nums and the properties are the following. Nums.length is equal to 2 times n. Here the length of this array is 4. This means that n is 4 divided by 2. So n is 2 in this example. Now, nums contains n plus 1 unique elements, and as you can see here, we have 3 unique elements, 1, 2, and 3. And we also know that exactly one element of nums is repeated n times. Here n is 2, and we have number 3, which is repeated exactly 2 times. Our job is to return the element that's repeated n times. So in this case, we return 3. So the question is, how can we solve this? And we could store the elements here in a frequency map. And in case you know what this is, here we store frequencies for unique elements in this array. Here we have one occurrence of number 1, one occurrence of number 2, and 2 occurrences of number 3. And given that the length of this entire array is 4, we know that n in this example is 2. So we could go to our frequency map and check which number has a frequency of exactly 2. And in this case, it's number 3, so we return this. Now this is fine, but we can make it even more simple. Instead of keeping track of frequencies for every number, what we can do instead is, as soon as we see a repeated element, we know that this is the result. Why? Well, because we have n plus 1 unique elements. This means that every other element that's not unique is the result. So as soon as we see a repeated element, this is the result. Now, this means that we don't need this. We can have a set which we'll call scene, and here we are storing every number. First we are here, we add 1, and we continue. Next we are here, we don't have 2 in the set, so we add 2 and continue. Next we are here, we don't have 3 in the set, so we add 3 and continue. Now we are here, we have 3 in the set, so we just return this at this point. Time and space complexity for this approach is big O of n, where n is the length of the original array. Remember that space is also big O of n because we are keeping track of scene numbers with a set. So with this in mind, let's go with the code. We have an empty set which we are calling scene, and now we can iterate every number in nums. And we are checking if this number is in scene, we just return the number, else we add to scene this number. So this is the entire code. At some point we will reach a repeated number and we return that number. So that's it. This is the entire code. Now let's submit this. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.